Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 76 Calcutta Mint single mint coin. This is only for 300 UNC condition. Railways BU condition Mumbai Mint 200. 2000 Noida 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata 100. 2004 Hyderabad Mint UNC 200. Growmore Food Mumbai UNC 200. 82 Dabbu coin BU condition 200. Plant Family Mumbai Mint BU 200. Rainfed Farming Mumbai UNC 300. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC 200 each. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition 300. Indira Gandhi Mumbai Mint BU condition 100. Indira Gandhi Kolkata Mint BU condition with mild rotation also 100 rupees. Nehru UNC Hindi Legend Kolkata Mint 100. English Legend Kolkata Mint 200. Quit India Movement BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. Nehru English Legend Mumbai Mint UNC 200. Cellular Jail AUNC condition Noida Mint very scarce coin. This is 300. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Noida Mint UNC 300. Shama Prasad Kolkata BU condition 600. Food and Environment Noida Mint UNC 600. Tukaram Noida Mint UNC 300. Black Beauty Mumbai single mint coin 400. BU condition this is Mahatma Basveshwar 2002 Noida Mint BU 300 very scarce coin. Jayaprakash Narayana BU condition Hyderabad Mint 200. 2006 Noida Mint UNC condition very scarce 300. Commonwealth Game BU condition Noida Mint 200. Aurobindo Noida Mint UNC condition 300. 1990 very scarce Dabbu coin Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 300. AUNC condition Hyderabad Mint Food and Environment 300. If someone wants both, this is for 600 and this is for 300, I'll give for 100 rupees discount. 800 you can take this. AUNC condition FAO Mumbai Mint for 300. ILO Mumbai Mint UNC 500. United Nations UNC Mumbai 700. This becomes 1200, but if you take set 1000 rupees I'll give for this set. Chinmayananda Kolkata Mint Black Beauty. This is in the middle you can see this is a black. It's a Black Beauty. BU condition only for 200 rupees. Biodiversity BU condition Mumbai Mint 400. Small Farmer Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Tamil Conference Noida Mint extra fine condition, no dent or damage, you can check, very nice condition 400. rare coin, this is Supreme Court Mumbai Mint, BU condition 300. Youth Year Kolkata Mint, UNC condition 1000 rupees, because see, you can see the clear line. It's a clear line variety, 1000 rupees. Half rupees 1946 Mumbai Mint with mild rotation, only for 400 rupees. K for girl child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition with proper mint mark. You can see the mint mark here. See the star mint mark, prominent mint mark, only for 500 rupees. Rare coin. 1959 Mumbai Mint, JM UNC, 600 rupees. You can take it for 500 today. 59 Kolkata Mint, 200. Youth Year Mumbai Mint, UNC condition for 400. Food and Work Mumbai Mint, 5 paise BU condition 300. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 400. Happy Child, almost rare coin, this is BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 700. Subhash Chandra Bose Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 700. Small Family BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 500. ILO Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 800. Tamil Conference Noida Mint, BU condition, 600. Tamil Conference Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 500. Veer Durgadas BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 400. Mahatma Basveshwar Mumbai Mint, single mint coin, this is first strike. See the mint mark, small mint mark. Only for 500. 1967 Mumbai Mint, extra fine condition, rare coin, this is for 800. 800 only for today. It's a rare coin. Tamil Conference UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 800. Mother's Health Mumbai Mint for 1000 rupees. Today I'll give this both for 1500 rupees. You can take it, 300 discount. If you want single coin, then I already told you. Food for the Future Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition. See the face. Only for 800 rupees. 1988 AUNC condition, Noida Mint, rare coin. See the mint mark. Proper dot mint mark, you can check. Only for 2200. Rare coin in this condition. It's really reasonable price. Khadi Village BU condition, Mumbai Mint, rare coin, 1700. See the lion and see the face, all clear. Noida Mint, Patel. See the mint mark, clear mint mark. And the lion, you can see, this is the bee lion. This bee lion only comes in Noida Mint, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is for 1200 rupees. Youth Year Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. This is for 500. Forestry Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 800. World Food Day Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, 800. Dadabai BU condition, Dadabai Nauroji Mumbai Mint 400. World Food Day BU condition, Hyderabad Mint 800. ICDS Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 700. 50 paise extra fine 1962 Kolkata Mint rare coin 200. 69 Mumbai Mint UNC 300. 71 Kolkata UNC 100. 70 Kolkata UNC 100. 68 Mumbai UNC 300. 67 Mumbai UNC 300. 62 Mumbai UNC 200. This I have on early strike, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint. See the mint mark. Check the nice round dot mint mark. And B lion. This is only for 2200 rupees. Only for 2200 rupees. 1947 Lahore Mint UNC condition for 1400. Moscow Mint 2000 F lion variety. This is X rare lion variety. See the lion. Only for 1700 rupees. No dent or damage you can see. Safe for development. So equality for development. UNC set coin. Mumbai Mint. Only for 3200 rupees. Lion variety, Tamil Conference, Mumbai Mint. Say X rare lion variety. See the B lion with proper, no dent, damage, scratch. You can see very nice condition coin. Only for 2500. 1883 Mumbai Mint. Empress, Victoria Empress, only for 3000. 1888 Mumbai UNC Empress 2500. You can see mild rotation also there. See the clarity, everything is clear. Details, everything you can check. Proper details. Only for 2500. 1909 Kolkata Mint AUNC condition. This is rare coin. You can check in the book. Not easily available. See the condition. Only for 3000. Basveshwar BU condition M mint mark. I am showing closely so you can see there is no damage, dent and all. Face also clear. And M mint mark check. BUNC condition. Only for 4000. See the lion. Clear line. Only for 4000. BU condition 25th anniversary Mumbai Mint. Only for 2800. 1915 Kolkata Mint rare coin. See the clear details. Only for 2600. Some lion variety. Bolu the guard set, BU set. This is C1 lion and C2 lion. You can check how you come to know C1. You can check here Satyameva Jayate is close to the Ashoka and here far to the Ashoka. Only for 400 rupees set. Normal coin ka price I am taking. This each coin, normal coin cost 200, but I am giving the lion set only for 400. This also I am giving as a normal price. BU lion set, Mumbai Mint, 91 Parliamentary. Here the lion. You can see the lion chest here, and here see 800 rupees. Basaveshwara lion set. This is for 300. BU condition. See the lion. This is a 3D lion. This is a 2D type. Little bigger lion. This is a little short lion. Only for 300. I have some 25 paise UNC2 BU type, 60 to 66, only for 1200 rupees, whole set. Mumbai Mint. And there is some Jawaharlal Nehru, 28 coin, English legend, Hindi legend, all mixed. AUNC2, extra coin to AUNC type. Total 28 coins are there. Only for 900 rupees. For all. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.